If you're looking for a wireless mouse for yourself, then recently I got my hands on this wireless mouse by MI, and trust me, this is a product that you should definitely consider. Hi everyone, I'm Vinita and today we will be talking about the MI Portable Wireless Mouse. This is the wireless mouse by MI, and you can see that it's beautifully designed. The color variation that I have over here is black. It has glossy finish on the buttons and matte finish throughout the body. Now it's ergonomically designed for comfortable use. You can hold it very comfortably because of the textured design on the sides. Now the left mouse button and the right mouse button feel very smooth. The scroll button feels smooth as well. Over here, this is the LED power indicator, and on the other side, this is the power switch to switch on and switch off this mouse like this. And this is the sensor. Now this mouse has a detachable shell, so you can take off this shell, and inside this shell, this is the battery compartment. You have to put one AA battery to power this mouse. This is a nano receiver which will go into your PC or your laptop, that will connect this mouse to your system, and we are also provided with the storage unit for this receiver. So whenever you travel, you can put this receiver into this storage unit and you will not misplace it, so it's a good feature. And here is the connect button. So once your receiver goes into your system, you're supposed to press this button to connect this mouse to your system. So yes, overall it's a well designed mouse. This wireless mouse by MI comes with high resolution 1200 dpi, and the sensor at the bottom makes sure that this mouse moves smoothly on most surfaces including glass. Now this mouse is ergonomically designed, so you can use this mouse for a longer duration and your fingers will not face any discomfort or strain. This mouse is super light in weight and it's small in size, so you can easily carry it with you whenever you travel. You just have to put it in your bag or maybe in your purse or your pocket. Now this mouse has a good battery backup, and you get all these features at a very reasonable price. So if you're looking for a wireless mouse, then don't think, just go for it.